Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and if you watch my channel, you know exactly who is in this box. Well, you think you do, but what color hair do they have, and what color face, what kind of face, etc. That's the mystery. I love these Blythe dolls. These I call them Alley Blythes. They are, of course, come on, a fake of the original 1972, but you could also say they all are. They're all just copies. Okay, we've got two sets of hands, so you know there's two dolls in here, and they have green hair. One for me and one for Tina. If you watch our channels, you know that every December we do a green-haired Christmas Blythe collab, and we've been doing it at least 4 years. I need to go down and get those dolls and set them up and show them. Let's check eyes on each of these. Oh, isn't she cute? That's a pretty green. That is a very pretty green. This is an icy. The face is a little bit different. You'll know the icies by the pull tag. They say Angela on it. They also have purple eyes, I'm hoping. They used to always. Amber, purple. Oh, God, are those gorgeous. Can you see them? It's getting darker out. We're getting ready to get storms again today. But her eyes are working. Those look pink just fine. So she's going to be on her way to Tina in a little bit. And there we go. Why did I get these particular dolls? Green hair. These were actually on sale at Christmas, and Tina and I were lamenting that, you know, the price of these dolls has gone up so much. And Tina had one break on her, and evidently the seller did not do anything about it, which really makes me mad. Her eye mechanism broke. But at any rate, I found these, and they were, what were they, Darren, like 20 a piece?
Yeah, I think it were like 20 and some change.
Look at those purple eyes. I'll leave those in mine.
Including tariffs, but not sales tax.
Yeah. So they were about $21. And it's the icy face. These are usually more expensive. The iMech is working great. So we have green-haired dolls for next year. I thought this one's hair was thicker, but it's not. So be sure and tune in December. Tina and I do a lot of collabs together each year. And we do a St. Patrick's Day with a red-headed Blythe and a Christmas collab with the green-haired girls. We do other collabs together too. If you don't know Tina's Reborns and More, you'll want to check out her channel. Tina, I'm excited about these. And should I show them? Yep, we're going to do chubbies. Woohoo! Darren still has to remove this and put the neck joints in. If you buy a Mimi Bowback body to make a chubby Blythe doll, first of all, the neck won't work without a neck joint. It will, but it'll flop around like crazy because
there's no attachment.
It's nothing. Yeah, it just flops. But you're also going to have purple on there from the pants. This is every doll I've seen has one. Darren and I do sell the neck joints. I'm not sure if we have any up there or not, but you can contact us. Are these hands not a different color? They are different than any I've ever seen, but I'm okay with it. We have green-haired dolls. Woohoo! Come back and see them in December. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.